So ito ang ating soup ngayon guys, ground beef with carrots and potatoes. Ayan siya guys, ang ating soup for today. Napakayaman niya kaya ito ang gusto ng mga bata. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Andito na naman si Jennifer ngayong gabi. I-share ko sa inyo ang ating very yummy soup with the rice guys. Dahil Filipino tayo, cheers! So ganyan, pag kumakain ang Filipino ng soup, rice with soup siya guys. Ang soup natin, pwede na, you can eat this without any rice. But, si mommy guys, as a Filipino, I like this. And sa asawa ko guys, he loves with rice. Bahog siya guys, magbahog. So ayan, ang ating rice. Damihan natin rice guys. Rice is life. Ayan, sa ating mga Filipino, rice is life. Oh, very yummy. Dapat may rice ang mga Filipino. So ito siya guys, masarap siya. Gusto ito sa picky eaters. Sa isa kong fango guys, gusto niya ito. And thank you Tita Risa for sharing me the recipe dahil i-share ko rin sa inyo guys. Masarap ito sa mga bata, those kids na mga 2 years old that they can eat cubes of carrots and potato. That's really good. And you add your ground beef. So, oh my. That is really good. Oh no. Since wala akong light, dito lang tayo guys dahil mayroong natural light. But ito si kitchen area ko is medyo bright siya. So ito ang ating soup. Meron tayong soup with carrots and potato, and meron tayong ground beef. Ayan siya guys, masarap na masarap. Very sarap ang ating soup. Either dito mo either you add it to your rice or you add your rice to your soup. Wow. Oh, so good. So good. Very yummy ang ating soup ngayon. Natulog pa yung mga bata dahil after school, pumunta kami sa Starbucks. We bought Starbucks guys. And then, pag uwi namin dito, parang puno pa sila after school. So, later, mga siguro alas 9 or 10 o'clock tonight, magisingin sila guys to do their homework. Late na yung anak ko magawa ng homework. Dahil after school, talagang mag-study yan sila sa gabi. After school, matulog yun sila guys. Naku, alam nyo kaninang umaga, nag-walking kami kaninang umaga guys. Oh my gosh! Nakita ko yung very cute na poodle. Hindi yata yung poodle, parang doll dog or napakaliit lang niya guys. Napakaliit lang. Siguro mga half pound lang siya. Baby doll dog, something like that. Ang pinakamaliit na dog, but that dog is already old. Oh my gosh! Gustong gusto ko talaga. Kung hindi lang kami allergy ng dog guys, ay naku, yun talagang dog ang gusto kong bilhin. Kibeer ka, napakaliit niya na dog. Oh my gosh, yung aso na yun guys ang gusto ko. Kung makabili ako ng dalawa, happy na si mami. Dahil siguro ang tahol noon very liit din, very tiny din. Yun siguro ang tahong lang aso na yun, ang pinakamaliit na aso. Oh my gosh. Ano ba yung tawag sa pinakamaliit na aso? Doll dog or something like that? Doll dog or baby dog? Baby dog. Oh my gosh, ang cute niya. I will show you guys dito guys. Ilagay ko ang picture niya. Dahil nakyutan talaga ako sa kanya. Maski allergy at bawal sa amin ang cat and dog, guys. If we move to yung open space na na parang farm or something like that, gusto kong mag-alaga ng aso. Napaka-cute talaga niya. Oh my gosh, kasing sarap ng aking soup. Oh wow. Very yummy, guys. So thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like a very simple soup. And if may picky na anak ka, dahil yung mga picky kids like my kid, gustong gusto nila ito. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like to make a very simple recipe sa ating soup. And huwag kalimutan, please click the notification bell. Bye! Okay, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like my soup. And thank you very much. Bye-bye! So this one, guys, 3 minutes more, I will be done. So I have to add this one now. I think I have more of this. Oh, this is so good. We eat that, guys. We need our rice. Look at the rice. Wow, this is so yummy. Welcome back to my channel. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, 54 degrees. So ngayong gabi, ang ating dinner is a very simple soup. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like this simple recipe. Simple soup recipe. Oh, okay. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like to make a ground beef vegetable soup. And huwag kalimutan, you click the notification bell. Okay. Comment below. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you want my soup. If you like to make my soup. Oh my gosh, if you want my soup.